everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to quickly show you what I got from Planners Anonymous yesterday. Now, this is really terrible because I'm actually editing the same video that I'm supposed to be working on right now. So I have to refilm it because I don't know what happened, but my video quality is terrible. It's fuzzy and disgusting. I've never seen it like that before. I don't know what I did. Something happened though, so it was bad enough that I knew I had to refilm. So this is going to be a lot quicker than the original video. The original video I had 24 minutes, which is crazy. This is going to be a lot quicker than that. So I just wanted to share this though. I did receive my older items that were supposed to come before. This was a chapter 2 5mm washi, so that came in this package, as well as my pencil case. So I had ordered this with the mega bundle. And so it came now, and I've been trying it out. I have pens in there just to see how it works. And it doesn't work unless you have pens in it. And this doesn't really fold down that easy either unless it's heavier. So before you try it out, make sure you put pens in if you have it as well. Okay, so we're going to quickly go through the items. I have already changed how I store it. So like I was saying on the previous video, this was paper lover, I had planner lover, and then the sticker lover was by itself. So I put everything that fits in this size package, I put it into this pouch. So I'll try to remember what exactly came in paper lover, and then we can go from there. So this is the vellum, and you do get the 2 sheets of vellum and the 2 sheets of acetate, which is so nice. I'm so thankful that they changed that. So this looks like rocks, or like a rocked pathway with some flowers in there. The next sheet, these are regular sheets here. This is the picture frame one. I like it. I don't mind this because of the paintbrushes and the paint in it. The next one is a flower or a floral print with these daisies, the white and the purple. Okay, you get 2 of those. Oh, I should also mention that on the photo frame, it's a green background. This floral one is got a purplish blue background. I really like this one. So this is the workbench with the easel and stuff and the glass of wine. I like this. That's really cute right there. Okay, so the back of this one is brown. And next we have this really pretty watercolor of these flowers with a sunset, I think. This color is green on the back. This is probably one of my favorites besides for the bench. And then this is similar to the acetate, this is similar to the vellum. So same print. This has purple on the back. And then of course you get your acetate here. So they're flowers at the bottom. So I was trying to piece together which this would look best with, and I guess I'd probably put it with this one. It's hard for me. I like layering my pieces, but if they really have to suit my preference. Like I can't just layer whatever over top whatever. It just doesn't really work for me. So these papers are, I think I've had more favorite papers in the past, but I mean, I love the colors. I love the green and the purple aspect of this kit. Okay, so now the next thing that came inside the paper lover, I believe it was these guys, and I know the stamps did, and I'm pretty sure the cards did as well. Okay, so this is the stamps. Again, I'm not a stamper. I've been collecting all of these Planners Anonymous stamps, but I haven't used them. But these ones are beautiful because I do love the easel and everything to do with paint in this. Okay, then the little journaling cards. I've actually, so these are some of my favorite. So if you don't like this written part here, you could always turn it over and use the colored side. So what I like to do is put them in a pocket on the front of a divider or a dashboard. So this is the front one. So it says "Oops a Daisy." On the back you can write down like a little journaling thing, or write down notes if you want. It says "That time I thought I had a green thumb." This is one of the ones I love here. It's just got this picture on the back, and it says, "There's an art to being broken, a beauty in the scars, a story only you can tell." And this is probably one of my favorite quotes. Okay, this next one is a picture of a daisy, and it just says, "I love me," and then you can add whatever you want there. This one, I love that, and it says, "Creativity takes courage. Here's to the friends who know us well." This one, again, the paint splatter, "Be the daisy in the concrete, unexpectedly resilient." And last, picture frame one, says, "A hot mess project that turned out amazing." Okay, and then of course the die cuts. I won't take these out. I was interested in these ones here. They are still like the adhesive background, but I think they're meant to look like a picture frame. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then the difference between the art cards, this one is shiny, and so they are made from different suppliers. That's why they're like this. This one's darker and is a matte background. This one's shiny and is a brighter. So of course I like the brighter, shinier one, but I mean, it's nice because you can use, especially if you use the same kit for different planner sizes, you can use, you know, in different planners if you wanted to. Sometimes what I do is I'll either pin it to a divider if I want a little decorative element, or I'll hole punch it and just put it right in my planner. It just depends. Okay, so that one came here. Now I can't remember, I think this was part of the planner kit if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so then this one came in the planner lover. And so I'm kind of wondering if maybe those die cuts came in here too. I honestly don't remember, guys. I'm so sorry if I'm messing up here. Okay, so these are the little notepad. The notepad doesn't come with a sticky back. It's just like the individual pieces of paper, but this is a sticky notes here. And those are super cute. Okay, and then you have your bookmark. So I like this because you can actually put like a ribbon or something here, or a string to make it turn it into a bookmark. You can also use it for, like if you wanted to hole punch it and put it in your planner, you could put your sticky notes here. You can use it as a washi card. I think that's what it's meant to be used for. But there's so many different things you could do with this. Okay, then for the stickers. So I do have, again, the second pack of stickers for Sticker Lover, but I'll go through this one. So it's meant to be a journey, but I always go through it backward, but I'll go through this side the right way. So this one, you've got a paper sticker that it's meant to be ripped up and put on the corners of your journaling. I don't know if I'd want to rip that up. I'd rather put it on the inside of a book or something, like the inside of a cover, because it's so pretty. These are the speech bubbles, the icons, some circle stickers, and then the folding planner. Some squares. Again, these aren't as useful to me because I like putting in smaller little boxes, but I might try using a whole square in my planner. Like my planner pages are a little bit different. These are the word Fetty. This one is kind of like titles, I guess, for lack of a better word, or headers. This one are the minis. And then you've got the clear page. This is all flower deco. Same with this one. It is, it's got some clear outline stickers, but it's the clear page. And then this one here is probably my favorite. I am obsessed with this sticker right here, the macaroons. Oh, love it, love it, love it. I saw it on a different sticker page in here. And like this page is my favorite. I love this open bookstore. It's kind of like the greenhouse type thing. The paints, she painted every moment with the hues of joy and laughter. Even the main girl, I don't remember her name, but I just love this. So cute. Okay, and I will do this in order because I did it from the back. Okay, so this one. So the main girl is supposed to, she's on this painting thing, or this artistry. So she's painting a picture. So this is the decorative page. No, sorry, this is the weekly page. So you've got your weekly days here. I love that. Okay, here are the macaroons again. And this is the first decorative page that goes with the weeklies. Okay, this is week 2. So this one, I think they're going on a walk. I don't know. Maybe they're walking on a path. Or it's like stones or sculpture, maybe. So this is the weekly page, and then a decorative page that follows. Then they're gardening, which is so cool. The weekly page. I love this. It's like my favorite. So pretty. And then again, the weekly page, again, all gardening stuff. And then the last one, which is kind of like the photo memories. And then a lot of flower deco here. And then again, the very last page is another rip page. You can use it to decorate the pages, like the outside corners of your planner or your journal. And that's it. So yeah, so I apologize. I wish that I had the main video to show you guys, but unfortunately the quality of that video just wasn't there. I don't know what happened, but I realized I had to do this last minute. because I wanted to get it up for you guys tomorrow, and I needed to have a video to do that with. So the last thing that I didn't forget, I promise, was the washi. I do have the washi here, but I did swatch it yesterday in my business journal, and these are all the swatches. So you've got, I'm missing the 5mm. I have the 5mm there. So this is the 5mm. It says Inner Wildflower, Life's a Garden, Dig It. Has a whole bunch. The next one is the paint splatters. This one is the daisies in between the rocks there. This is the photo albums with the paint and the paintbrushes. And then, of course, probably everybody's favorite is the tear washi. So I really like these ones, not because of the tear necessarily, but because it's like a flower border. I like that the flowers kind of look like they're at the bottom so that you can use that to, really decorate the bottom of a page. This one cries out to me. I love that. But anyway, I really do appreciate the color palette this month. I like green and I like purple together. I think it's really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video. In this version, I again apologize for that. No idea what happened, but hopefully my other videos will be okay. I think that's what happened. I used the wrong phone. I might have done that by accident. But anyway, like I said, I store all of these a little bit different than how they come. Everything that fits into the small pouch I put in there, and then all I keep in the large one are the papers, because I find that it stores a lot easier for me anyway, because I put them in my planner cart, and it seems easier that way. So that is it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you are new or have not yet subscribed, I would love if you would do so. Click on the bell notification button to receive updates when I post new content, and I will see you guys again soon in the next one. Bye!